In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon account. It's going to be a full guide video. So ensure you watch what I'm going to show you right now. Open up your browser. This is our browser. If you're using your iPhone, your PC, your MacBook, or your Android, it's going to work for you, right? Click on this sign in. Come on here, enter your email, right? So I'm going to enter mine. So I'm going to stream it. So click on the continue. So click on proceed to create an account. So enter these details, right? Once I've entered it, you're going to click on the verify email and you're going to get a verification code. Once I've entered it, you're going to verify that you're the person that is doing this, right? Then the next step, you're going to get the mobile verification, right? So you're going to get a mobile verification to your number to be sure that you're the one that's creating this account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.